Let's see if my love can manage the challenge of buying all the ingredients that she needs for this Filipino dish. So we're gonna have to take the green beans
instead of string beans.
It'll be fine.
This is killing me.
Don't you need corn for the sinigang?
No.
This is not a traditional adobo that you make. It's still a little bit bright out, as you can see. It's already 8 o'clock. What are you adding? Sugar. Let me give this a try. It's so good. Welcome to the beautiful city of Cape Town with Table Mountain here behind me. We've been here for a little over a week now, and my girlfriend said she's been missing some Filipino food. So today we thought we'd attempt to cook some Filipino food. I know it's going to be quite difficult because a lot of the ingredients aren't easily available here in Cape Town. She wants to cook Sinigang, which is going to be very, very challenging. So we're going to bring you guys along to the grocery store, see what we can get, see if we can get the essential ingredients, and then cook up a storm here at our stunning Airbnb. In the last vlog I showed you a little bit what the Airbnb looks like. If you didn't see it, I'll put the vlog right up here so you can check it out. But without further ado, let's head over to the grocery store and get whatever we need. But I just wanted to show you real quick. Look at the stunning view of Table Mountain, Lion's Head over here. It is such a beautiful day today. And here we have Signal Hill, and back there is actually the ocean. You can't really see it, but it's right there. So we've come to a grocery store which is right by our Airbnb to buy the ingredients for the Sinigang. Let's see if my love can manage the challenge of buying all the ingredients that she needs for this Filipino dish. I think there's a lot of ingredients that are going to be very easy, but there's going to be some that are going to be very difficult. Does Sinigang take fish sauce? So fish sauce there's many different types of fish sauce. Let's see. So one of the things that I really love about South Africa is just how beautiful the produce is and cheap. It's so cheap, right?
Yeah, 90 pesos
for like strawberries, like a big pack. Everything is so cheap and nice. But yeah, and things like avocados are just pure pleasure here in South Africa. They're massive. You can see they're big and they're very, very inexpensive, which is really nice. And then just look how red these tomatoes are. I've missed beautiful, deep, dark red tomatoes like this. So what are the ingredients that we need actually? Tell me.
I'm not seeing it.
So which vegetables do we need?
The most important is eggplant, spinach, radish, of course the tomatoes.
Okay. All right. Baby, they're not going to have gabi here. I'm sorry.
Okay. The most important part is not here, like the spinach.
No, spinach they'll have, for sure.
Different kind of spinach.
It's not a water spinach.
Medium hot chili.
So what are you getting excited about?
Nothing.
Tell us.
What?
So you were excited that they're right on how spicy the chilies are here.
Yeah, but there's no it's called Panigang.
Yes.
Panigang, the green chili. But all of these are green chilies, but none of them is actually...
I think you should take the jalapenos, in my opinion.
I don't know, going in between these would be...
Or you can do a mix of them. The next challenge is the spinach, because the spinach is different. So I'm thinking like watercress is similar to what we need.
Oh my god, it's so difficult. Like you've tasted the kangkong, right?
Yeah.
So,
I think watercress is more like the kangkong.
Because it doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to take the green beans
Instead of string beans.
It'll be fine.
This is killing me.
As I said, I think the real challenge is going to be like the gabi and that kind of stuff.
Everyone don't judge me. I know how to cook sinigang.
Don't you need corn for the sinigang?
No.
No corn? Oh, that's bulalo.
Oh my gosh.
Here we have some Asian things. Here's the fish sauce, right?
Yeah, nice. Yeah, that's fish sauce.
Alright, like that.
Okay.
Then let's go to the spices.
Yeah. That is making me so nervous.
So for meat, we had to take kind of like pork belly and pork fillet, so it's not too fatty. Unfortunately, no bones. Okay, change of plans. It's impossible to cook sinigang because we don't have the souring agent, and a sinigang has to be sour. So you're not giving up yet? We might have to change to adobo. So let's see. Let's see.
At least there's bay leaves.
So all the way back to the vegetables because we have the wrong vegetables. We have to change the vegetables as well, obviously, to make it work.
I add for adobo is we're gonna boil some
And we need,
eggs and some potatoes.
and you need onions, right?
We have onions.
Predicaments are ensuing because we came to another deli store and they have like all things tamarind. Like they have all the Asian things. So are we still sticking with adobo or we're going back to Sinigang? We're sticking with okay. Back at the house and it is a little bit messy right now, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful the light is just before we start cooking. It was golden hour just a second ago, so the whole place is just flooded with this beautiful, beautiful light. I hear there's some cooking going on already. We got here 2 kilograms of rice. I don't know who's supposed to eat 2 kilograms of rice.
Just for me.
It's just for you. Right? Are you able to cook rice without a rice cooker? Is that an insult? Are you gonna be mad at me now?
There's one thing I can't figure out. Since it's a resealable bag. Resealable.
Resealable. I think it's only resealable with the sticker.
Ah.
Which you have now.
Yeah, you're right. It says tuck inside.
You want me to explain to you how to cook rice?
I was asking you to make the rice. You said no.
So first thing you gotta do is you gotta open the rice and you gotta smell it.
Good.
It's gonna be like a 20-minute cook and smell it. And then you should wash the rice.
How would you wash it? Put it in the pot first.
1 cup of rice.
Sir.
What is this? I want to use this. Okay. To the back of it, open this up.
2 hours later.
So we take 1 part of rice, pour half of the rice on the side, half nicely, and then you gotta, like this. And then you take 1 thing and you stick it in, and then you do water to the knuckle. The drone now here, and it is so sketchy trying to land. I took off here from the balcony, which was really okay, but landing it was just too windy and the drone was like so my girlfriend went down and picked it up on the street for me because I had to land it. Flying the drone is always an adventure. And my girlfriend here has been cooking, not letting me document the process. So what are you doing here?
I'm gonna make a garlic paste.
Okay, what's the garlic paste for?
It's just it's more like
Secret.
not really a secret, I don't think so. But of course, we all know that this method brings out more aroma, right?
Yes.
And I'm gonna add some salt into this to make a paste.
And this actually that releases the allicin in the garlic, which is that nice garlicky aroma that you have, right? Yes, I've been learning something very new. I've been eating my fruit with salt lately. So dipping strawberries into salt, pineapple, and it's actually quite good.
Right?
Some vegetables, some fruit it's weird, but for some it's really nice. And at the same time, my girlfriend has been learning to have avocado with salt and not with condensed milk. By the way, this stovetop is like, it gets as hot as the sun. It's crazy. It goes so fast.
As in, so fast. Look at that. Is that rust?
No, I think that's just burnt on. Next up here, the potatoes are being fried up, and I was told this is not a traditional adobo that you're making. It's like your own little twist on it, right?
I'd say so.
Yeah, okay.
You know what they say, why you have to fry like vegetables?
Brings flavor.
And so I don't know. I think this is more of like a superstition. Or they say when you fry the vegetables, it keeps the food from spoiling. They say I don't know. I don't believe it. This just starches potatoes. People cook their adobo like this.
We have a very nice mise en place going on. Very, very nice. Everything's ready. Everything's chopped. Everything's good to go.
Oh, it's not hot yet.
Doesn't matter. For the garlic, it should be. Right? You don't want to burn your garlic. Yes, we had an unsuccessful sopas mission the other day. What are your thoughts on
It's
that?
already burnt. Like it's
Oh, yeah,
this
it goes
stuff
fast.
is so unpredictable.
Push it off the stove, off the heat maybe?
No?
Push it off the heat maybe? Or like to the side?
To the heat, to the top. And you know we're cooking, so we're not gonna do any sort of measurement. We're just gonna go with the flow.
Oyster sauce, that's also not very traditional, right? That's smelling good. Sounds good.
So different.
Next, the vinegar, a very important ingredient for adobo. Another thing besides the obviously very beautiful sunset here in Cape Town that I've been loving is how long that it is light outside. So it literally, the sun literally just set, with actually still setting. It's still a little bit bright out, as you can see. And now it is already, it's already 8 o'clock. So you really get a lot of sunlight all day. And it was, oh, look at that beautiful backdrop. And it was, the sun rises very early as well. So you have so much sunlight time during the day. What are you adding? What is this? Sugar? Sugar?
It's just 1 tablespoon. Just to balance it out.
Okay. Sugar?
Right? Like now that I've been more exposed to your kind of food, it almost seems like blasphemy and fallacy to me.
Sugar?
Yes,
Potatoes go back inside.
last up.
And how long does this cook now?
Just about like 3 hours.
Just to soften the potatoes?
For 3 to 5 business days. Okay, that smell good, doesn't it?
It does smell good.
Right?
Have
you want to
tasted
have a
the
taste
sauce
test?
already? Let me give this a try. Nice. It is sweet, yeah. Spicy.
What is it?
It's spicy.
I'm simmering it still, so it's gonna get saltier.
Okay.
But
It's so
spicy.
spicy. It's good. Spicy.
But not like spicy, like not edible spicy.
No. I was just surprised by the heat.
Right? I said I underestimated the spices.
It's very nice. Very nice adobo. Maybe there's no knife and fork. You're eating with your hands?
Yeah.
But it's like scorching hot. Let me give this a try. Look at this beautiful drumstick here. It's so good. Tender, juicy chicken. It's nice and sweet, spicy, salty. And get some of this veg, the potato, and some rice.
Oh my god, it's really chili. More cooking.
I love that baby. Yeah, it's really nice. It's very rewarding. And it is spicy, but I like it. I was just saying I haven't had spicy in such a long time. So it's really good.
And like the rice makes it less good.
Right, we're gonna destroy this and we're gonna watch the Lord of the Rings, the Rings of Power. And I'll check in with you guys later. All right, what a lovely evening in here in Cape Town. It's so nice to have an Airbnb that we can just cook in and create fantastic food from the comfort of our home. Really nice, very relaxing. Let me know in the comments down below how you like to make your adobo. Personally, I really love this version of the adobo. My girlfriend did a really good job. I'm very lucky because she's a very good cook as well, and I've gotten to try quite a few dishes already of hers. Anyway, if you enjoyed today's vlog, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new around here. Let me know what you think of Cape Town, what I've showed you guys so far. And with that being said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome, be positive, and make it happen. Bye-bye.